Welcome to Reclining Yoga. Today I have deep, relax, and restore. So come into easy seated pose. Sit gently as if lowering yourself into a warm memory. Let your breath alive before your soul do. With each inhale, feel the world soften around you. With each exhale, imagine laying down one piece of the day, every expectation, every effort, every emotion you carried without even noticing. You don't have to earn rest. You don't need permission to breathe slowly. This moment is your return. A homecoming to the self you forget when life becomes round. As you move through cat and cow, imagine your spine as a long story written in light. With each inhale, brighten the part of you that feel forgotten. With each exhale, smooth the sharp edge you corrected throughout the day. There is no rush, there is not a performance. It's a gentle negotiation between your breath and your body, a reminder that healing is not dramatic. It's slow, steady, and deeply personal. Rise into Sphinx pose as if waking from a long winter dream. Let your chest open just enough not to perform but to receive. Your heart doesn't need dramatic gesture. It needs consistency, gentleness, and your present. Catch your one foot. Lower yourself into half rag as if entering a quiet room inside your own body. Some space inside us have not been visited for years. Switch side. Open your chest. Stretch your thigh. Slowly release. Hold into sleeping swan and let gravity become your teacher. Your hips hold emotions the mind has long forgotten. Here, you don't need to understand what lies, just allow it to move. Some sensation are memory, some tension is unspoken grief, some warmth is healing already happening. Let your breath meet every feeling without fear. Let softness become your courage tonight. Slowly wake up, switch side. Slowly wake up as you fold forward. Enter the pose the way you enter truth, slowly, honestly. Forward hold are not about reaching your toe. They are about releasing your defense. Lay your spine along like a soft winter hill. Let your breath warm the cold place inside you. There is beauty in surrender when it's chosen, not forced. Slowly wake up, lie on your back. Let the knees fall to the side and feel the day loosen its final slit. Twist, lean outward, cannot express the heaviness, the fear, the invisible effort. Exhale them into the floor. Sweet side, you don't need to carry what doesn't belong to you. Extend your legs, Shavasana. As you rest, imagine your body as winter soil, still, dark, full of hidden life preparing to bloom. Healing does not ask you to be strong. It asks you to be here, in this breath, in this softness. Carry this quiet renewal with you. Thank yourself for showing up today. See you.